Create a bootable Windows 11 USB installation media using Microsoft Media Creation Tool. So if you want to create a bootable USB Windows 11 installation media using your Microsoft Media Creation Tool, then first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to go with your browser and then search for Windows 11 download. Once you've searched, you need to go with search result, which is www.microsoft.com, and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply scroll down a bit with this page. You will have create Windows 11 installation media. Click on download now, which will be on the left side. Go with the download section, which will be at the top, and it will be downloaded. Right now, you need to click on the media creation tool.exe and then click on yes. After that, you will have the setup section. Now scroll down a bit, accept the terms and conditions, and then it will ask you for your language. You can go and select your language and then your edition and go with next again, which will be on the bottom. Now here you will have to choose which media to use. You can go with ISO file and then USB flash drive, which needs to be at least 8 GB. So a Windows ISO file is useful in cases like installing Windows on a virtual machine, burning to a DVD, creating a custom installer, or for online installations, and many more. Since we want to create a bootable Windows 11 installation USB media, we will select the USB flash drive option. Then click on Next. Since we've already connected the USB to our system, we can see the USB drive right here. But if you've not connected, then it won't show your USB flash drive. So make sure that you've connected your USB flash drive and then click on Next. After selecting your USB flash drive, and the process will format the USB drive, causing a complete data loss. So you need to already take a backup of your data on your USB drive. After that, it will start downloading Windows 11 from Microsoft's official servers. After downloading, it will start creating the Windows 11 media automatically. This downloading and media creation process will take a long time. It might take nearly 50 minutes to 1 hour to complete. Once completed, we will see the message saying that your USB flash drive is ready. You can click on finish, and that's it. That's how you can create a bootable Windows 11 USB installation media. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.